Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about while loops with nested if statements. Let's get started. So how do they work? The embedded if, elif, else block is analyzed for each iteration of the loop. So let's look at an example. Num equals 2. The while loop will only work if num is less than or equal to 6. You'd only print out A if num mod 2 equals 0, which is another way of saying if num is an even number, and you only print B if it's an odd number. And after every loop, you would add 1. So if num is an even number, you'll print A. If it's an odd number, you'll print B. And after every loop, it will add 1. So let's go through this. 2 is less than or equal to 6. 2 is an even number, so you'll print A, add 1 to num. Num becomes 3. 3 is less than or equal to 6. 3 is an odd number, so you'll print B, add 1 to num. 4 is less than or equal to 6. 4 is an even number. Print A, add 1 to num. 5 is less than or equal to 6. 5 is an odd number. Print B, add 1 to num. Num is less than or equal to 6. It's an even number, so print A, add 1 to num. Num is now not less than or equal to 6, so we'll stop the program there. Our answer is A, B, A, B, A. Now let's look at another example. Name is an empty string. Num equals 0. The while loop will only run if num is less than 5. If num is also less than 3, you'll print R inside the name variable. If it's not less than 3, you'll print E inside the name variable. And then after every loop, you'll add 1 to num. At the very end, you'll have a string and you'll print out name. So if num is less than 3, you'll print R. If it's greater than 3 but less than 5, you'll print out E and you'll add 1 to num after every loop. So 0 is less than 5. If num is less than 3, print R. It is, so we'll print R and then add 1 to num. 1 is less than 5 and is less than 3, so we'll print R again. Num becomes 2. 2 is less than 5 and is less than 3, so we'll print R again. Num plus 1 equals 3. So 3 is less than 5 but is not less than 3, so we'll print E. Num becomes 4. 4 is less than 5 but not less than 3, so we'll print E again. Num becomes 5. 5 is not less than 5, so we'll print out name. Our final answer is R, 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 E, E. So this is a practice for you to do on your own. Num equals 5, sum equals 0. While num is less than or equal to 1, it will run this program. And at the end, you will print out sum. So if num floor division 3 is greater than 1, sum will equal itself plus 2 times num. Otherwise, sum will equal itself plus num. It subtracts 1 from num after every loop. Do this one on your own and then run it through a compiler to find out the answer. So that is while loops with nested if statements. If you guys have any questions, please drop them in the comments and remember to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.